How to fix Ubisoft Connect has detected an unrecoverable error. Yeah, in this quick video, I'm going to show you two specific things that you can try to execute for you to bypass this kind of issue. Now, this is actually a common issue not only for Ubisoft Connect. So your first remedy is to right click on your Ubisoft Connect icon that is in your desktop. So for example, this one, just head into properties. And then from there, just simply go into compatibility and then choose on disable full screen optimization and then run this program as an administrator. Or you can even try to use compatibility mode program 4 depending on your operating system. Now, next is you go into your Windows search and type in run, hit on enter, and then access your local app data by typing in percentage sign local app data percentage sign and then hit on OK. Now this will let you access all the cache that you have on your PC, especially Ubisoft Connect. Just simply look for Ubisoft Connect and then simply delete the whole folder. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix Ubisoft Connect has detected an unrecoverable error.